In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Viber account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to deactivate your Viber account, this is actually a super simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Viber app. Once you have opened up Viber, you will be on this page here, and from here you will need to go to the bottom right hand corner and click on More. Once you click on More, as you can see, there is a couple of options here. And the one we would need in today's video is Settings. Once you click on Settings, right there at the top there is an option for Account. If you click on the Account tab, it will bring up these options here. And as you can see right there at the bottom, there is an option for Deactivate Account. If you click on Deactivate Account, as you can see, deactivating your account will delete all of your data, including in-app purchased items and credit. So read through that little bit of information, and if you are happy, you can go ahead and enter in your country and then your phone number. Once you enter in your phone number, this will allow you to deactivate your account by selecting the red Deactivate Account. Once you select Deactivate Account, all you need to do then is confirm it. So that's how you can go ahead and deactivate your Viber account.